Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily build your very own Slack app from scratch. So if you've ever wanted to customize your Slack experience or create something unique for your workspace, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Slack API website. This is the main place where you can create and manage Slack apps. Once you're there, click on Create New App. Next, you'll see the option to use the Configuration UI, which makes the setup process super simple. Here you can add your app's basic details, such as its name, scopes, settings, and features. Go ahead and choose a name that fits your app's purpose or brand identity. Then, select the workspace where you want the app to be installed and click Create App. Once your app is created, it's time to customize it. You can add different features, set permissions, and configure various options to suit your needs. Don't forget to write a clear and concise description for your app. This helps your team understand what your app does and how it's meant to be used. When everything looks good, hit Save, and then continue to deploy your app into your selected Slack workspace. Once installed, you can start testing your app directly in Slack to make sure everything works perfectly. Gather feedback from your team, make improvements, and continue refining it over time to create a powerful, useful tool for your workspace. And that's it. That's how you can build a Slack app step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.